Angels, climbers! Yes!
See you tomorrow.
We have here the two guides gonna be with you in the mountain. We have Ahmad and Muhammad. Okay, so you just recognize their faces. They speak very good English. They are very helpful. You know, they are very nice.
Yeah.
They do this almost like every day. Okay, so we need to cooperate with them. Someone will be on the head, someone will be at the back. Okay, so they'll be with you for any help, for anything. If at any time you need anything, you just go to them.
Okay.
Don't go to anybody else. You don't know who is there in the mountain. When you are walking in the steps, you might find some people, they come telling you help, help, help. They are not offering you the help. They are not asking for your help. You can go to the camels for yourself. You didn't know the people there. But just come to them and they will be arranging the camels for you. Okay?
Sir, what's the name again?
Musa.
Moses.
Muhammad.
Musa and Muhammad. Okay? So you have Moses himself here. His real name is Musa.
Moses. Muhammad.
Okay.
Moses.
What's the question of the camel? Kick or bite?
Box.
No? Both?
Well,
Box.
Okay, ready to go?
Do you have
Yes.
somebody in the toilets?
Waiting for the others.
Because, by the way, I will do that this road.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Just call them Indians.
Wait.
I know. I meet people there, so I will let
No.
Musa.
Camel will not kick.
So
Camel
you
will
are
not
come
bite,
from
but
the
it will
water
box you.
too?
Oh, you'll be box.
The brother of Moses.
Yes, I am.
The camel is not dangerous.
No. Don't be afraid. That's not my thing.
No more.
Si Ma'am Che, po yun? Sir, Ma'am Che. No more?
Yeah, because the
Let's go.
tour guide is very suffers.
No more?
I will wait again.
Yeah.
No more?
Orient na daw taniya rito.
Ayos sa pag-video. Ayan.
Oh. Kabalo na siya. Elder Ted Wilson is with us today. Ang mga karaftab na itong president sa GC. Ito ang global good enough nga the GC president is joining in our climb, going to Mount Sinai, and we're very much happy that Elder Ted Wilson is with us today. Mga dito rin nato na imnon.
I thought Pastor Moraldi already retired, but he is with us.
Also, we are very much happy.
We're happy because Pastor Moraldi is with us.
Even he is already retired for many years ago.
Years ago, but he's with us to climb the Mount Sinai.
Joining with us. And also Bongbong Marcos is here. Kaya din si Kamuro train ini siya, no? Oh, Olive. Olive. Oops. Bigong idado siya ito. Nakasaka ba yan? Sakit sa ulo. I-back up na imong kuan mang imong cellphone nimo. Pila yang kuan? Yang memory. Back up kita.
Ano nagpag-video din important?
Video may gwapo. Halo. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum.
Ini kan biyahe nato one way ra man ni. Ano pagpauliw niya katong usog ng family ako.
Baktas ni.
Experience bidas.
Padidit. Oh, baktas kay bak nya tas. Kung padulong pruntas.
We are going. Oh, because for the camels we are barking. We are going to where the cows from the back.
Dito na.
By the way, please allow me to get one. This was not like this. Not scary. Yeah.
Musa.
And then count, and then if somebody wants to reach the top, he can do it with me, and if somebody wants to stay in the coffee shop to wait the group in the way back, he will be waiting in the coffee shop. Okay, so
How long will it take to hike from the coffee shop?
it's 750 steps. It depends by your walk. From 1 hour 45 minutes. It depends your walk, but maximum 1 hour 15 minutes.